let's look at how to evaluate open source projects for compliance with your organization's policies and for supply chain risk. For this, we have a product called Open Source Select and a feature called Start Left Policies. We say start left because traditionally in organizations shifting left, the shift means adding more overhead to developers. Typically, you'll set up quality gates in your CI, which means that unless developers know your policies by heart, they'll import new dependencies, design solutions and write code around it, push it to the CI, only to have the CI job fail. This is obviously wasting a lot of time. With Debricked Start Left Policies and Select, you would instead just visit debricked.com/select, search for the dependency that you want to use, and instantly see if it is compliant. To do this, let's go to Select and search for a dependency I want to use. In my example, I'm looking for a dependency that allows me to get transcripts of Discord chats. Next, I'll select which repo I want to import the dependency to, and I can immediately see that I will not be able to use this dependency in my repo because it has a GPL license. That saved me a lot of work. Clicking Show All Rules, I can also learn that the reason it's blocking me is that there's a rule in effect disallowing any dependencies that is licensed with a strong copyleft license. The search function in Select not only searches for the exact match of the dependency you search for, but also tries to understand what type of functionality you're looking for. In this case, if we just scroll down on the page, we can find a similar looking dependency that is licensed under MIT and is all clear to use in the repo we want to use it in.